and let me show you the damage.
There can't be two Alpha Titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking into war.
Alright guys, what is going on? I'm going to try to make this video short and sweet today, but not happy. I am beyond pissed off. Obviously you could tell from the thumbnail and the title of the video what happened. I'm going to show you guys what happened. I'm going to tell you guys what they told me and all that bullshit. Yeah, I am furious right now, but I just got back from getting the tires mounted on the wheels, and I'm going to show you what they did and how messed up it is. So just, yeah, I'm pissed. All right guys, well here's what happened this morning. I took the, as you can see, I got the tires back with the rims. I got the stocks on there right now. This morning I called up the tire place. I went to tire. I've been there multiple times, never had an issue, always did great work, always mounted my tires for me and did good stuff. So I put the stocks on, took the new wheels that are in here, the new tires that are on there. They got rid of the Mickeys, they're done. I took the stocks on, put everything in the bed, go there, got there at like 9:45. Was the only one there. I waited basically 2 hours there, sitting there waiting. What's going on? I'm the only one here. And let me show you the damage. I am furious right now, guys, furious. These are custom made whole shot wheels, and they do this, trying to install. Well, even this, like the valve stems are different on both tires, I think. Or, I don't even know. This one, I guess, went pretty good. This one, he broke the valve stem. They went and got new, nice steel, same valve stems I had. I'm okay. Well, I was like, okay, no problem. And then he comes out. He's like, oh, we're just getting it done, blah, 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 trying to get it all rushed up and stuff. And I was beyond excited to get these on, go racing on the truck, possibly Tuesday. I was ready to actually go on Tuesday. So I'm going to put this in the truck, guys, and let me show you exactly how bad it is. You guys can get a good look at it. Tires rolling away from me. Yeah, this is not the video I wanted to do today. I was planning on doing another video, but this is something that I feel everyone should see. Look at this. Now, he did tell me it is sealed. There's no air leaking through. I'm not going to race on this, guys. I'm too scared that it's going to destroy something and destroy it. Look at this. So we got the valve stems on. They got the bead sealer on. Everything was going great. And it is crap. I waited 2 hours there until they tell me when it's done, you know, that the wheel's destroyed. I guess they maybe, you know, maybe they said that I can, you know, put them on. And it was a young kid there. I don't know who did the work. I've never had a problem with this place. I always take my tires there. Today, bam, this happens. Like, I'm pissed off. I wanted to race, man, and now I can't even race. The only happy thing is, the truck's driving great. The truck is good. Wheel is not. Yes, they're dirty. Don't mind the dirtiness, but this is just disgusting me right now, and I want to just punch something and break something. Oh, I'm so angry. Like I said, they destroyed my one valve stem that came with the wheel. They replaced them. You know, this one's fine. Nothing's wrong with this. Everything's great with this one. I'm like so excited to try these. So I go back here, fellas, and this is, yeah, as you can see, it sucks. This is just shitty. So will not be racing on the drag step. I may throw the friggin' all the stocks on and do some four-wheel drive running, but I'm scared to do that again too. I don't know. I don't want to really go in four-wheel drive and possibly have an issue of wheel hopping like last time. I shouldn't wheel hop at all now with the new suspension, especially at the track, but you never know. So yeah, very, very pissed off. Well, this is not the video I wanted to start this month off with. As you know, I've been making more content lately, doing what I can. And now that, I'm trying to close the garage quick. Now that this happened, I don't know how long this wheel's going to take. This could be a 3-week setback. It could be a 2. I have no idea, because every wheel is custom made. And now I'm at a standstill with racing, and I really wanted to race. Plan on racing, hitting the track possibly Tuesday or Friday, or even on Saturday. I don't know, because we got the new tires. Like I said, the tires are here to mount it. They're on, and he destroyed the one. I know I keep saying it. I don't know how else to really bring about this video. As you can see, the frustration in me and the pissed offness. I wanted to really strangle this whoever. I don't want to strangle the kid. The kid didn't do it. It was one of the mechanics. I was just wondering, how do you do that? And then I noticed he destroyed the aluminum around the friggin' valve stem. Yeah, I'll show you guys that in a minute. Exactly. Hold on. Let me go in there and show you exactly how he destroyed that in a second. So I'm just opening my garage back up. Yeah. So I'm going to show you what he did. Like, I'm pissed. He destroyed the aluminum around the valve stem. You can see it's all scratched up. Obviously, the rim is absolutely destroyed. And let me see, guys, if I can show you even the valve. So I'm going to flip this cam. You can see it all. Look at that. Look at all the scratch marks. All scratched up, destroyed everything around this whole area. It's just... The other tire, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. No scratches, no nothing. It's just this one. Yeah. So, close the garage again, fellas. Sorry, I'm not going to be racing for you guys. I want to race, man. We have 10-second. As you see, we're ready to go. Everything's still good. Like I said, we're going with the tailgate on. We might be even taking it off. So, yeah. I am furious, man. But it's life. Nothing you can do about it. I mean, I'd rather have that happen than something else in the truck break. But, I mean, the good thing is I don't have to pay for anything. I mean, that's not a good thing. But, man, maybe you should pay for me. Hey, it's going to buy me new too, since you destroyed my crap. But it is what it is, guys. Yeah. So hopefully we get this fixed quick and we can get back out there racing, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.